A serious topic for today is monkeys medical, for all the monkey people out there, for all the monkey parents. The signs and symptoms of a sick monkey. Before we go on, guys, please do subscribe, follow and like Monkey Heartland for continued assistance and advice on how to properly care for your monkeys. I'm going to try my best not to ramble everything down. I would like to take it step by step, and then you guys are also welcome to share and save it for your future reference. I've watched a video a few days ago where a lady were doing a video and a baby were crawling on the floor. But you could clearly see that that baby was in urgent need of veterinary help. But she seems oblivious to the fact and she just continued talking. So yeah, that is a bit of a concern, and that's a realization that came to me that a lot of people do not know what is the signs and symptoms to look out for when their monkeys are sick. You must also remember, monkeys are expert. They're really experts at masking their illnesses, hiding their illnesses. It's not like they can ask you, listen, or tell you, listen, I'm sick, do something about it. They can't talk to you. Number one, behavioral changes, starting with the topic, behavioral changes, isolation from the group, lethargic, if they any change in their personalities, sudden aggressiveness, clingy or withdrawn. Then number four is limp or a droopy tail. It's a clear sign, limp or droopy tail. Appetite, loss of appetite, no eating, they're not even eating their favorite foods or treats that you give them. Number two is physical signs, holding their body stiff, shivering or trembling, rapid or shallow breathing, sunken eyes, dull facial expression, pale or discolored gums, weight loss or bloating, swollen abdomen or swollen joints. And then obviously there's something that you can see externally is also wounds, swelling or any rashes. Point number three, digestive changes. Diarrhea is either watery, bloody or very foul smelling. Constipation, vomiting, and then also change in urine color or smelly urine. And then foul breath is also falling underneath digestive changes, so you can smell that very quickly. Now, very, very important, number four and number five. This is the point where there's like red flags all over the place. That actually should tell you to go to the vet ASAP. The neurological severe symptoms, head tilting, seizures, disorientation or unsteady walking, circling behavior, drooping eyelids or facial asymmetry, and then also lack of response to sounds or visuals. And then number five, if you see this is urgent and act immediately, please. Sudden collapse or unconsciousness, severe bloating, continuous vomiting, diarrhea, bleeding from orifice, that means nose, mouth, ears and eyes. And then, okay, the point number six is the signs and symptoms specific to certain conditions. Why is your monkey having diarrhea? Why is your monkey lethargic? Okay, bacterial infections or viral infection, that means fever, lethargy, discharge from nose, eyes, coughing, diarrhea, dehydration, sunken eyes, dry gums, skin tenting, weakness, and that the tenting means that when you pinch their skin, you pick up their skin on their stomach and their skin doesn't go back. That means they're dehydrated. Injuries and trauma, limping, swelling, avoiding touching, and also vocalizing pain. That shows you clearly that monkey, there's a problem. Respiratory issues, open mouth breathing, coughing, wheezing, and chest movement. And then lastly, nutritional deficiencies, hair loss, poor coat condition, bone deformity, and then pale white faces, or orange faces for that matter. And if it's orange, that is clear indication of jaundice. Guys, this is the first topic that we're discussing on medical. Let's give you a broad spectrum of what to look for in sick monkeys. Please do follow us for more on this topic. And we're also having our live on Saturday at between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock. And that should be around about, UK is about 2 hours behind us. And America, depends on where you are in America, between 6 and 10 hours behind us. So 4 o'clock, that should be right between 6 and 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, depending on where you are. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and have a good day. See you next time. Monkey Heartland out.